This is Car Guys New England, your YouTube channel for anything automotive.
Bad, cause it's bit bad. She want me the bag, like chips at the front. Miss up, I'm fly like a pelic in my bed. I like get my boy pelic quick. They get gonna put up on the elephant cut. My trunk, yeah, it's in the front. Of course, it's in the back. This a big. This a real big difference. You just wanna club. I just need them racks. You just wanna party. I just wanna rock story.
So I am here at Ken's Auto. How you doing, Kenny?
How's it going, Jay?
Good.
I'm doing all right.
So what's going on with the town car?
Well, came in with an obvious valve train noise and then went away on its own. So what we're gonna do is an engine oil service and flush with Valvoline's engine complete oil system cleaner.
All right.
Which it seems to be a stuck lash adjuster. It's the only thing that makes sense at this point since it went away. So we're gonna try it clean and see if this problem persists.
All right.
I'm gonna drain the oil. I'm just gonna take a sample to see what this looks like, and then basically do an oil change, but instead of running oil in it, we're gonna run the cleaner for about 10 minutes. New oil filter on it. Fill it with the cleaner, run it, and then re-drain it, take another sample, and put another new oil filter on it, and then finish the oil change.
Sweet.
With this process, you put on a filter with the oil service, the oil flush, and then after you're done, you remove that filter in case it caught any of the debris or material from the flush, so it doesn't get in after you do the oil change. You put a new oil filter on it, so it's a fresh oil change when it's all done, and it's hopefully super clean, I guess.
All right, so this stuff's going in clear?
Clear, yep, clear. Then we're gonna add 2 quarts of oil because the capacity of the engine, and then add the proper amount of oil when we're all done.
So how long are we going to let this run?
We're gonna run it for about minutes. So it's like 218 now, about 230. Then shut it off and drain it. Went in clear, but they're not coming out clear. So this is the before and the after. Went in clear, came out almost as dark. Mobile one. Sure we're good.
right, so we got the car running. We're gonna take it for a ride. Yep.
So I just went for a test drive after we did the oil cleaning, and good long ride down the highway and back. And when we got off the return ramp to come back, we felt some misfires. Not too pronounced, but they were there. And it was on cylinder 3, which we did see on the initial scan before it cleared up on its own. So it's cleared up now. We're going to swap coils and determine if it's a coil breakdown or something else. Nice quick diagnosis, and take it for another ride and hope it does it, and actually hope that it follows the coil to cylinder 2, and then it's a nice simple fix. That's our plan. So cylinder 3 ignition coil. I don't know if you can see that in the picture, the video, but you could tell that we had some blow by on the spark plug. So I just checked it. The spark plug was just a hair loose at cylinder 2. We don't have the boot right now. We're gonna swap, see if the coil is damaged. I do recommend you changing this ignition coil no matter what. And maybe some boots for all 8 or the other 7. I think that'd be a good idea. But cylinder 3 definitely had a loose plug.
So unfortunately, my battery on my phone ended up dying, but one thing Kenny wanted me to do was just dig through the garage and see if I have another coil in here. I think I do, so I'm going to dig through for that. But this story continues. I will have another video on the town car and what ends up happening with it. Really strange how it was knocking and then it just stopped knocking. Definitely something in the valve train, but we'll get it all sorted out and figured out and get that car back on the road. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give the video a like. If you have questions or comments, be sure to comment down below. This is Jay with Car Guys New England. Until next time, take care.